What if I told you that just one digital product could make you $10,000 or more without inventory, shipping, or even leaving your home? In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how people are cashing in with this one simple product and how you can do the same starting today. By the end of this video, you'll know what it is, why it works, and how to start selling it yourself, step by step. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So, what's the product that's helping creators make $10,000 and beyond? It's the digital planners. They're one of the hottest digital products right now because they're useful, customizable, and super easy to deliver. As you can see here on Etsy, there are tons of amazing planners already out there, and people are buying them every day. You can keep it simple by creating easy-to-make planners like daily to-do lists or habit trackers. Or you can level up by building more advanced planners packed with features. Think finance planners with built-in formulas or digital sticker packs for iPad users. And the best part? Once you create it, it's done. You can sell it over and over again with no extra work. And as you can see right here, this product is in high demand. It's not just sitting there. Multiple people have bought it in just the last 24 hours alone. Now we're on eRank, and check this out. This one digital planner has made over 4,000 sales and brought in more than $16,000 in revenue. That's insane for a digital product. And if we scroll down, we get even more useful information, like the tags this product is using, popular keywords, SEO data, and even pricing insights. This is gold if you're planning to create a similar product yourself. Here's another one. This fitness or workout digital planner. On eRank, it shows over 1,500 sales, which means about $6,000 in revenue. Again, just one digital file, selling over and over. This is the kind of potential digital planners have, and we're just getting started. People are making tons of money selling digital planners on Etsy, but you might have noticed something. Almost all of them are charging next to nothing for their products. Most planners are priced around $1 or $2. And sure, if you're making hundreds of sales a day, that's great. But here's the problem. You're completely dependent on Etsy's algorithm. If your product doesn't get picked up by search or buried under thousands of similar listings, it might just sit there forever. No traffic, no sales. And if you've spent time or money creating it, you lose. And if you try to price your product higher, it's almost impossible to compete. There are sellers offering 5,000 digital stickers, full planner bundles, and bonus kits for just a couple bucks. It's a race to the bottom. What if I told you there's a way to sell your digital planners without depending on Etsy's algorithm, without slashing your prices, and actually charge premium prices, and people will gladly pay? Let me show you how. So, to sell our digital planners without racing to the bottom on price, we're going to use Gumroad. Gumroad is a platform designed specifically for creators. It lets you sell digital products like planners, templates, ebooks, courses, and more. Here, you control everything. I actually covered Gumroad in my other video where I talk about 5 platforms to sell digital products, so be sure to check that out if you want more options. As you can see here, creators are charging much higher prices than on Etsy, $10, $25, even $50 or more, for premium digital planners. Gumroad does have its own marketplace, but unlike Etsy, it's better to bring your own traffic through social media, email, or content marketing. That way, you own the audience and the income. But before we talk marketing, let's first see how you can create a great digital planner, even if you're a total beginner. So now I'm heading over to Canva to start creating the digital planner. I'm using Canva because it's one of the easiest tools out there, perfect even if you're not a designer. I'm searching for digital planner template, and as you can see, Canva is showing so many beautiful options. There are templates for daily planning, wellness, budgeting, and more. I'm scrolling through and checking out different styles. Some are simple, some are more detailed and colorful. There's really something for every kind of planner. I'm picking this monthly planner template. It's clean, simple, and perfect for getting started. Now I'm customizing it, changing the font style, adjusting the colors to match my brand, and maybe even tweaking the layout a bit to make it more functional. If you want to take your digital planner or any digital product, to the next level, you need great design assets. And that's where Creative Fabrica comes in. Creative Fabrica gives you access to thousands of premium fonts, graphics, templates, illustrations, and even full planner kits. It's like a treasure chest for creators. Whether you're looking for cute icons, aesthetic fonts, or themed elements to match your niche, Creative Fabrica has it all. And what's really awesome, you get unlimited downloads for a super affordable monthly price. I'm personally using assets from Creative Fabrica in my own planners, and it instantly makes them look more polished and professional. If you're serious about making your digital products stand out, I highly recommend checking it out. I've added the link for you in the description. Once I'm happy with how everything's looking, I'm downloading it as a PDF, ready to be sold as a digital product. Now that the planner is ready, let's move on to how we can promote our planner and bring our own traffic. Now that we've created our planner and it's ready to sell on Gumroad or any platform, it's time to bring in our own customers. And for that, we're using Pinterest, one of the best platforms to market digital products like planners. People come to Pinterest actively searching for planners, organization tools, and productivity content. It's not like other social media platforms. Here, users are buyers. Pins can stay active and drive traffic for months, even years, which means you're building long-term visibility with every post. It's completely free, and if you do it right, you can build steady, organic traffic to your product without spending anything on ads. Now, I'm not going to go into a full tutorial on how to create pins or do Pinterest marketing in this video, but I do have a full video dedicated to this topic. I've explained everything step by step in a super simple way. So if you're serious about promoting your product, make sure to check that one out. So that's it for this video. Are you going to use this product? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos packed with tips, tools, and inspiration. Thanks for watching. Stay creative and stay awesome.